Okay, again, this is the top of the waterfall. As you can see, it's not one giant fall, but it falls in a series of steps. Wherever you see some white water, it's a significant fall. It drops, I think, close to 200 feet when all is said and done. The largest step might be about 20-25 feet. It's a beautiful area, nice and serene. Best flowing after we've had some rainwater to give it a recharge, but there's always some kind of water moving here. The creek, I don't think, has an official name because of an old interpretive trail that's been let go years and years ago. I do know in-house we refer to it as Scout Run.